Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy tzatziki dip. This refreshing dip is perfect for so many dishes, from grilled meats to fresh vegetables. We'll start by gathering our simple, fresh ingredients. Then, I'll walk you through the quick preparation steps, ensuring your tzatziki is perfectly creamy and flavorful. It's a straightforward process that yields delicious results every time, ready in about 15 minutes of active prep. The secret to a thick, creamy tzatziki is properly preparing your cucumber. After grating one large English cucumber, it's crucial to remove its excess moisture. You can use a fine mesh sieve or even a clean kitchen towel to squeeze out the water. This step might seem small, but it makes a huge difference in the final texture of your dip, preventing it from becoming watery and ensuring a rich consistency. Now for the fun part, combining all those wonderful flavors. In a medium-sized bowl, gently fold together 2 cups of thick, plain Greek yogurt with your well-drained cucumber. Next, add 2 finely minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill, and 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil. Finish by seasoning with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Once everything is mixed, give your tzatziki a good stir to ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed. Then, cover the bowl and pop it into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is essential. It allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together and deepen. Before serving, give it another quick stir and taste, adjusting seasonings if needed. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing tzatziki dip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.